Hook, have you ever found yourself juggling multiple bank accounts, trying to keep track of your finances? It can be a real headache, right? Well, that's where Rocket Money comes in. It's a fantastic tool that can help you simplify your financial life. But what if you want to add another bank account to Rocket Money? That's what we're going to cover today. Context: so, you've been using Rocket Money for a while and you're loving it. But now you've opened a new bank account and you want to include it in your financial overview. It's actually pretty straightforward, but let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Access your Rocket Money dashboard. The first thing you need to do is open your Rocket Money app or website. You should be on your main dashboard, where you can see an overview of your finances. Step 2. Find the Add Account button. Look around your dashboard for a button or option that says Add Account, Link Account, or something similar. It's usually located in the top right corner or near your account settings. Step 3. Select your bank. Once you click on the Add Account button, you'll likely be presented with a list of banks that Rocket Money supports. Scroll through the list and find your bank. If your bank isn't listed, you might need to contact Rocket Money support for assistance. Step 4. Enter your login credentials. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your online banking login credentials. This includes your username and password. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses secure encryption to protect your information. Step 5. Verify your account. Once you enter your login details, Rocket Money will verify your account. This process might involve a security code or a confirmation email. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Step 6. Grant permission. After verification, you'll need to grant Rocket Money permission to access your bank account information. This typically involves clicking a button or checking a box to authorize the connection. Step 7. Review your account. Once you've granted permission, Rocket Money will start syncing your bank account information. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the sync is complete, you should be able to see your new account's transactions and balances in your Rocket Money dashboard. Additional tips. Multiple accounts. If you have multiple accounts with the same bank, you might need to repeat the process for each account. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the linking process, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. You can also contact Rocket Money support for assistance. Security. Always ensure you're using a secure network and avoid entering your login credentials on public computers. Conclusion. Adding a new bank account to Rocket Money is a simple process that can help you get a more complete picture of your finances. By following these steps, you can easily link your new account and start tracking your spending and saving. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.